뉴욕의 유력 가문에서 태어난 검사 로렌 멀로.
All rise.
막강한 권력을 가진 집안에서 태어났지만 자신만큼은 법과 원칙을 중요하게 여기며 살아가고 있었는데요.
Please, I can't answer all your questions at once, okay? One at a time. Katie, go ahead.
Ms. Monroe, is it true that Thomas Reindorf's legal team reached out with a plea deal?
$3.5 billion he defrauded investors is no plea deal I would ever accept. I'd say that my conviction rate speaks for itself. Victims and their families have always been my only concern, not bankers and brokers.
반면 동생 윌리엄은 정치인의 길을 걸으며 재선을 준비하고 있었습니다.
Ladies and gentlemen, my brother, Congressman William Monroe. And his phone.
Thank you. Thank you. It's an incredible honor.
그런데 그 시각 집안의 중심이었던 아버지 아처에게 갑작스러운 일이 벌어집니다. 기자들 앞에 서 있던 로렌에게 아버지가 갑작스럽게 세상을 떠났다는 소식이 전해진 것이죠.
We're just now getting in word about your father's accident.
그렇게 갑작스럽게 아버지를 떠나보낸 멀로 가족.
A heart attack. I mean, how did that even happen? Dad was in better shape than either of us.
What are we going to do about Mom?
Just surrounded with friends. And we'll find her an apartment on Zillow, closer to us.
얼마 후 가족들은 그가 남긴 유언을 확인하게 됩니다.
I leave Catherine in sole control of the family estate and my voting rights on the board of directors. To my son, William, I leave the sum of $20 million. To Lauren, I leave $1 million.
그런데 정치인인 아들 윌리엄에게는 막대한 재산을 남긴 것과 달리 로렌에게 돌아온 돈은 $100만 뿐이었습니다.
$50 million is to be split equally between the Police and Firemen's Benevolent Fund and the Harvard School of Medicine. This is my last will and testament. Archer Monroe.
Thank you, Harold. That'll be all.
하지만 아버지가 그녀에게만 따로 남긴 유산이 하나 더 있었는데요.
There's actually something I need to discuss with you. Your father left this for you, and you alone. I knew your father for 31 years, Lauren. He was proud of the woman you became. Don't let the inheritance speak otherwise.
바로 하나의 열쇠와 아버지의 영상이 담긴 USB였습니다. 영상 속 아버지는 자신이 평생 숨겨온 비밀이 있다며 절대 누구에게도 말하지 말라고 당부합니다.
Lauren, pains me to do this, and this was mine. It's a secret you must carry to your grave. The answer lies buried near your fort. I must be vague in case of prying eyes, but above all things, the truth must stay buried.
결국 아버지가 남긴 단서를 따라 가족 소유의 숲으로 향한 로렌. 거기서 존재조차 몰랐던 지하 벙커를 발견합니다. 그런데 안으로 들어가자 더욱 믿기 힘든 광경이 기다리고 있었는데요. 한 남성이 쇠사슬에 묶인 채 이곳에 감금돼 있었던 겁니다. 자신의 이름을 모건 워너라고 밝힌 남성.
My name's Morgan. Morgan Warner.
그리고 무려 30년 동안 로렌의 아버지에게 감금돼 있었다고 주장합니다.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. It's been a long time since I had any human contact.
What happened?
We'd had a few drinks before leaving the summer house for a big game in the city. We should never have been on the road. It happened so fast. He was just a kid. You know, he's like us.
과거 자신과 아처는 가까운 친구였는데 어느 날 술을 마신 채 차를 몰다가 한 남성을 치어 죽였다는 것이었죠.
I figured the only thing we could do was call the police and say that there'd been an accident. said we couldn't. He said the cops would be looking for his dented car. He said he'd go to jail and he'd lose everything. If there's no body, there's no crime. If there's no body, there's no crime. He kept saying it over and over again. I wanted no part of it. I wasn't about to cover up a homicide.
결국 사건이 알려질 것을 두려워한 아처가 자신을 납치해 이곳에 가둬버렸다는 겁니다.
What would you have done?
I'd like to think I'd make the call.
Well, then you would be here, like me.
하지만 검사인 로렌이 이런 이야기만 듣고 그를 믿을 리 없었는데요.
How do I know that you're telling me the truth? It's not like my dad's here to defend himself.
그러자 그는 자신의 이야기를 증명할 수 있는 비밀들을 하나씩 꺼내놓기 시작합니다.
Archer loved your mother, but Sophia, she was everything your mother was not. Sophia wasn't an affair, she was an obsession, providing for Archer's darker appetites. He used to call her his Gypsy Rose.
You're lying.
I don't expect you to take my word for it, okay? Why don't you go check?
How?
He used to visit her every Tuesday, 72nd and Parkway. Her name is Sophia Fiore.
Bullshit.
If you don't believe me, go ask Harold. I'm sure he kept an entirely separate inheritance for her.
먼저 아버지가 가족 몰래 오랫동안 만나온 여성이 있었다는 사실.
Sophia Fiore?
Please, come in, Lauren. Why are you here?
I found your name in my dad's will. Maybe you can tell me how you two met.
At a poker game.
And you were together for
He never stopped loving your mother, if that's what you mean.
how long?
Many years.
심지어 두 사람 사이에는 아들까지 있었습니다.
Who is this?
Your half-brother.
Jesus Christ.
지금까지 몰랐던 아버지의 비밀이 실제로 존재한다는 걸 확인한 로렌.
Believe me now.
Why didn't you tell me he had a son?
And ruin the surprise?
무엇보다 로렌이 반드시 확인해야 할 이야기는 따로 있었습니다.
What else do you know?
Everything.
How do I know you're telling the truth about the body?
Dig it up.
Where is it buried?
I couldn't possibly describe that to you after all this time.
바로 30년 전 자신들과 함께 있었다는 교통사고 피해자의 시신.
The only way is to take me there.
If you think that I'm going to let
You're a
you go.
lawyer. You know the sentence for aiding and abetting a kidnapping, for false imprisonment, for torture, duress. I want my freedom, Lauren.
결국 로렌은 모건을 직접 데리고 그가 말한 장소로 향합니다.
Oh God. It's almost too painful to bear.
Let's go. Come on.
Wait, sorry.
Let's go.
Yeah.
There. That's where we buried him.
Sit over there and keep the light on the ground.
그리고 실제로 그곳에서 오래된 시신이 발견됩니다.
Light. Jesus Christ.
Told you.
Shut up!
모건의 이야기를 의심하기 어려워진 순간이었죠.
What happens now?
Put the collar back on.
We found the body.
It's not that black or white.
What about justice? Isn't that what you became, a lawyer? What about everything I've lost? On every day, protein powder, peanut butter, and water. Could you live like that? Could you? Days that last as long as years. Nothing to celebrate. Just one fucking piece of chocolate every month.
What do you want me to say? I didn't do this to you.
But you could change it. If you walk away, you're worse than he is. You give me my life back.
Put it on! This is not my responsibility. Do you understand me? I didn't ask for this.
God damn it, you're just like your father. You offer false hope and then you just take it all away.
I'm sorry.
아버지의 비밀이 하나씩 사실로 드러날수록 로렌의 생각도 달라지기 시작합니다.
All you two care about is money and legacy.
어떤 이유가 있었든 한 사람을 30년 동안 감금한 아버지의 행동을 더 이상 외면할 수 없었던 겁니다. 그래도 마지막까지 의심을 거두지 않는 로렌은 그의 지문을 몰래 확보해 신원조회까지 맡깁니다.
This is Detective Emilio Sanchez, 75th Precinct. Leave me a message and I'll come back to you as soon as I can.
Sanchez, hey, it's me. I just emailed you a set of prints that I need you to get into the system ASAP.
그리고 그 결과를 기다리는 동안 한 가지 결정을 내리는데요.
I want to do the right thing. I really do. But how do I know that you're telling the truth?
I showed you the body.
The truth about vanishing.
I have been in prison in this room for longer than you have been alive. If I walk out that door, I will never, ever look back.
Clean up. You're leaving tonight.
모건에게 돈과 새로운 신분을 마련해준 뒤 해외로 보내기로 한 겁니다.
Why are we meeting here?
We have a situation.
What happened?
My father happened. I need you to set up a Cayman Islands account. You're good at that. Put my $1 million in it, and I need $100K in cash.
Who's this for?
A man my dad wronged. In addition, I need an ID, fake or otherwise, and I need to charter a jet to fly him there. Make sure none of this is traceable back to us.
What did Archer do?
I can't tell you. I can't tell anyone. Call me when it's set.
결국 30년 동안 이어졌던 아버지의 감금을 자신의 손으로 끝내는 로렌. 그렇게 모건은 마침내 자유의 몸이 됩니다.
Harold, right?
He'll help you set up a new life. You can make up for lost time.
This might sound a little strange, but this is one of the things that really kept me going. I promised myself that if one day I got free, I'd have myself a slice of key lime pie, like the one in the picture. You're a good person, Lauren.
I'm sorry. You didn't deserve this.
Thank you.
이제 아버지가 남긴 비밀 역시 여기서 끝나는 것처럼 보였는데요.
Lauren, it's Sanchez. I found that missing person file you needed. Those fingerprints came back with a match. I'm sending it all up to the summer house now.
그런데 모건의 신원조회 결과를 본 어머니 캐서린의 반응이 심상치 않습니다.
Why do you have pictures of this man?
Why are you asking about Morgan?
Morgan. This man's name is Carson.
사진 속 남자는 모건 워너가 아니라 카슨이라는 남자였던 겁니다.
Why do you have any of this?
This man. This man said his name was Morgan. And that Dad's kept this man chained up in a bunker in our backyard. In our backyard, okay? This is my fucking inheritance, Mom.
그리고 캐서린은 그를 절대로 풀어줘서는 안 되는 위험한 사람이라고 말합니다.
This man is evil.
What?
Where is he now?
Where is he?
I'll let him go.
지금까지 자신이 들었던 이야기에 결정적인 뭔가가 빠져있다는 걸 깨달은 로렌.
This is Harold Dulles. I'm unavailable right now. Please leave a message and I'll get back to you.
곧바로 그를 해외로 보내기 위해 준비했던 비행편부터 확인하지만 비행기는 출발하지 않았고 모든 준비를 도왔던 해럴드마저 살해된 상태였습니다. 그 순간 더욱 불길한 생각이 든 로렌.
Hey there. You know what to do.
Mom, get out of the house now. He's there. He's there. He's there.
예상대로 어머니 캐서린 역시 사라지고 없었습니다.
Mom! Mom!
결국 모든 일이 시작됐던 지하 벙커로 다시 돌아갑니다. 그리고 그곳엔 다시 돌아온 카슨과 붙잡혀 있는 어머니가 기다리고 있었죠.
Mom, can you hear me?
Lauren.
마침내 그가 30년 동안 숨겨왔던 진짜 이야기가 시작됩니다.
Hey there, sleepyhead. See, back in the day, your mom, she was a tight little thing.
과거 카스는 캐서린에게 약물을 먹인 뒤 그녀를 범했는데요.
That night, I wanted the fruit tour. Oh, come on. Don't you give me that look. I know you wanted it as much as I did. You just didn't want to let yourself have it.
이 사실을 알게 된 아처가 카슨을 죽이기 위해 데리고 나갔고 바로 그 과정에서 차로 한 남성을 치어 죽였던 것이죠. 하지만 결국 카슨을 죽이지 못했던 아처는 대신 그를 벙커에 가둬 세상에서 완전히 지워버렸습니다.
Truth is, Archer knew that there are some fates that are much worse than death. He needed me to suffer, to rot, to waste away in the dark.
그런데 더욱 충격적인 사실은 아버지의 죽음까지 카슨과 연결돼 있었다는 것.
It took me so long to get my hands on it, you know? All my little traps finally worked to perfection. I took some of the poison he got to kill me. I jammed it in his hand when we're playing chess. Checkmate.
갑작스레 세상을 떠난 아처의 죽음 역시 자연사가 아니었던 것이었죠.
I am gonna burn this family's legacy to the ground with the secrets that I know.
그리고 모든 비밀을 털어놓는 카슨은 마지막으로 더욱 충격적인 말을 꺼냅니다.
And I almost forgot the most important part. When I tell him
A pathetic lunatic? Yeah, no one's ever gonna believe you. No one ever even looked for you because you don't
Shut up.
matter. Not even to your own father. You're
Shut
Oh, God damn it! You still don't get it, do you? I'm your goddamn father!
자신이 바로 로렌의 친아버지라는 것이었습니다. 그때 하지만 이 모든 사실이 세상에 알려지는 순간 멀로 감은 역시 무사할 수 없는 상황. 결국 두 사람은 아버지가 평생 숨겨왔던 비밀을 다시 한번 세상에서 지워버리기로 합니다. 그렇게 아버지가 남긴 가장 끔찍한 유산을 불길 속에 묻어버리며 영화는 끝이 납니다. 시청해주셔서 감사합니다. 지금까지 영화 인의 리턴스였습니다.